Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this is very nice climate. The summer starts, so we have to take care of our lawn, our grass very neatly. So I'm gonna buy one new toy, this PowerSmart lawn mower. So today I'm going to show how my lawn mower, I'm unboxing my lawn mower and show how it's working. So let's join. So this is my new toy, the PowerSmart lawn mower. This is like 170cc gas model. This is 3-in-1 lawn mower. So it comes with like a 3-year warranty. Mostly it's like we get in a decent price. I'm gonna unbox this item, so let's see. So finally we completed my unboxing. We fit all the parts. So we're gonna fill the fuel and engine oil before we start the lawn work. So as I said, like everything is ready. We set the adjustment for the tires. We have a side opener. So this is like a 3-in-1 machine. So we can mulch and we can cut the lawn and we can put it in the sideway. And other than that, we have a bag. We can set a bag over here. So this is the engine oil we put over this knob. Another thing is this is a fuel opener. We will fill the fuel gas over there. Other than that, this is the main thing, the choke. Before starting we have to press the choke and we have to start. This is the basic things we have to take care before starting the lawn work. And I adjust the tires as per my need. So so we have a clip over here. So just want to maintain our cable, and we lock the knob, like starter knob here. And I bought a new oil, like it needs like a 4-cycle engine oil for SEA 10W30. This is the preferred oil for this lawn mower. So we have to check whether which model number which is suitable for each lawn mowers. So this is our fuel indicator. So you can see that 2 dots. So we need to keep the oil in between these 2 dots. If it overfill, it's also bad. So we need to keep the oil in this level, the second dot. That's the company preference. Initial setup is ready. So lawnmower is ready to work. So before going into start, we have to read our instruction manual and we have to set ready everything. So I put my bag in the behind, so that brake is like the engine start and engine keeper is ready. Starter cable is over here. And one main thing, so before fueling or like putting the oil, we have to keep in a level place. Then only we have to get an idea like what is the level of oil and things. So that's all. Yeah, it's ready, pretty ready. It looks really nice, the black one. The engine is like 170cc or OHV engine. So it comes with OHV motor also. Pretty nice, decent thing. So let's see how it's working. Steady. Hello, welcome back. So it's been a month. I bought this PowerSmart lawn mower. So I thought like do a review after a month. So it's my third time I'm gonna cut the grass. So let's see how it's working. So as I said, I just going to set the tire size, like the levels of the tires. So I set as 2, and I'm gonna push the choke for 3 times. So more than 1.5 months not started. So I'm gonna press the choke 3 times. It's ready. I'm gonna push the bar. I'm gonna start the engine. Now I'm going to show how the side flip is going to work. I fit my side flip, it's open. So I mounted my Osmo action cam on the lawnmower and see how it is working. So far we finished our lawn cutting. So I'm done on my work. So it takes like 20-25 minutes to complete. You can review this Power Smart lawnmower as a 8 out of 10. It did a really great job. A decent equipment for this price. That's all. Thanks for watching my channel. Hope you see you soon. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.